Hello, guys. Good morning. Namaste. Today is Sunday. Today is the 1st of November. And like I started off with yesterday's vlog, today I'm going to clean both my rooms. And tomorrow and day after, I'll be at my grandparents' place. So I'll technically have 2 more days left here in this house. So I need to clean the remaining things, and I need to take care of the things that might go waste, like the food items. So, uh, yeah. Also, today is United versus Arsenal. I'm really excited for that. That's why I'm in my United jersey, and I am hoping that United win because we need those points in the Premier League, and we need to really get a momentum going in the Premier League. So I think that we should be able to nick a small win from Arsenal tonight, and yeah, that's it. बाकी वही होता है दिन में, मतलब I will cook something again today. I have to finish off the. I have a lot of dosa batter left, so I'm going to eat dosa today for lunch, and little bit of milk is also left that I'm going to finish off. From yesterday, I have little boiled chickpeas left, and I have also boiled tomatoes. So I'm going to make a rice in the night, boiled chickpea tomato gravy sort of a rice. Yeah, that is my plan for today, and I need to check off a few things from my list. I need to buy a few things for my Dubai travel. My dad needs some medicines, so I need to get those medicines for him, and yeah, that's it. So today the table is looking a little less messy. I have all my documents out here. I need to take 3 more printouts of health declaration form. Okay, I have all my bags here, and I am going to sort out some clothes that I need to take for the travel. And yeah, again, like usual, I have to make the bed. Then moving over to the kitchen. This area looks good today. I am hungry now, so I am ready with my lunch. So I'm going to make uttappa, and for that I have my setup already ready. So let's prepare food. So this is the dosa batter that is left. I'm going to add onion, tomato, so it's 5 o'clock now. I've made chai, and I don't know why, but today the weather is kind of hazy, so I'm feeling very lazy today. I woke up around 11, did some activities, and again in the afternoon I started feeling lazy, so I slept for an hour. But yeah, I don't know, today the weather is like kind of like that, those lazy hazy vibes sort of. And the match starts in 5 hours, United versus Arsenal. I'm going to share my reactions. So yeah. This is the gravy I've made with onion, tomato, garlic, and garam masala. And I have brown rice. Going to add boiled chickpeas and some brains, some healthy. So 1 hour to go for the match, and the lineups are out. De Gea, Van Bissaka, Lindelof, Maguire, Shaw. Yeah, the regular back four. Then we have McTominay and Fred. They are going to be crucial, along with Pogba, Bruno Fernandes, Greenwood, and Rashford. Now that front four is very lethal, and I hope they do the trick against Arsenal. So we need to win tonight. It's a very important game, and we're currently 15th in the table. Let's see the table. Yeah, we are 15th with 7 points. Arsenal is 13th with 9 points. A win today will take us to at least 11th or 12th position, and we have 1 or 2 games in hand. So United needs to step up and prove themselves against Arsenal. They have been quite good against that 6-1 lost again against Tottenham, and yeah, I hope we really win tonight. Let's go! So also I'm watching the KKR versus Rajasthan match right now, and Owen Morgan is such a special player. He's playing all kinds of shots. I'm not like a cricket nerd, but I've been following cricket more than I've followed football. This year I've watched almost all the IPL matches. My top three teams who I would want them to win the IPL this year is Delhi Capitals, RCB, and Kings 11 Punjab. I will see you guys after the United versus Arsenal game, and let's see how the match turns out and how my mood is. I will obviously share it with you guys here in the vlog. So United have just lost 1-0 to Arsenal thanks to a penalty from Aubameyang. I don't even know what to say anymore. Arsenal definitely looked like the better team in the first half. They could have easily finished off the game in the first half. Although United started the second half brightly. Yeah, it was just Arsenal's day, wasn't it? It was after their, I think, 13th attempt they have won at Old Trafford, and Mikel Arteta has defeated Ole Gunnar Solskjaer for the second time. So 100% win for him against United. Yeah, I guess we move on to the next game. We have UEFA Champions League. Next game is against Istanbul on Wednesday. So United travel to Istanbul on Wednesday the 4th. One thing is that they have at least done well in the Champions League, so I am hoping that they do the same against Istanbul. That is not really the best team in the group, and we should be able to get a reaction from the team in the next match. So yeah, that's it for today. Ending the vlog on a depressing note. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.